Hey folks, Brett here. In this month's edition, in our amazing website series, I have 14 sites to show you, beginning with Import Yeti. This website can help you define suppliers or manufacturers for certain companies, which in turn can help you define the right supplier if you plan to start a business. To use it, enter the name of the company in the search box. I'll go with Microsoft and select it. I'm going to go with the one with their corporate headquarters in Redmond, Washington, so I'll select that one. This page will give you a ton of information, including the last shipment spotted. As I'm recording this video, that was a couple days ago. As you scroll down, you'll see a list of suppliers. I'll hit the Show More button, scroll down some more here. It looks like Microsoft does a lot of business in China. When you keep scrolling, you can see Microsoft's product breakdown. I'm guessing this is for the Xbox right here. I'll keep scrolling down some more here. According to this, 96% of shipments to Microsoft come from Asia. Next up, AutoDraw is a free web-based drawing tool created by Google Creative Lab. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to instantly turn rough-looking doodles into what looks like professional artwork. There are tools along the left to add text, fill, add shapes, and you can choose your color. I'm going to go with blue on this one. I'll now attempt to draw a dog using just my mouse. This should be very rough. When you're done, it'll offer suggestions here at the top. And I'll select this one here, which is a lot better than what I created, obviously. When you select the menu icon in the upper left corner, you can start over with 3 different sizes. You can download it, and you can share it with others. I'll mention this one briefly. QuickDraw is another doodling site from the evil robot overlords at Google. In this game that's a lot like Pictionary, the goal is to create doodles the artificial intelligence can recognize. It's not as simple as you'd think, but it can be fun. This one wants me to draw broccoli in under 20 seconds, so here we go.
I see rainbow, or cloud, or saw, or snowflake, or gear. I see bracelet, or hand, or dragon, or comet, or animal migration. I see butterfly. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Wolfram Alpha is one of the most useful websites ever created. It's been around since 2009 and describes themselves as an online service that answers factual queries directly by computing the answers from externally sourced curated data. In the search box, it says to enter what you want to calculate or know about. Here's an example. I want to compare the net worth of Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg. And you'll see it shows the net worth of each, with some other information listed below. If you want to find out what else you can do on Wolfram Alpha, I'd recommend checking out some of the various categories listed. Let's go into entertainment, games and puzzles, science fiction, etc. A friend of mine that uses this thought it might be of interest to some of you. The free and open source Silex lets you create websites directly in your browser without having to know or write any code. While you do not need to know how to code, it's best to check out tutorials online to get familiar with it. Earlier this year, it won the OW2 European Open Source Community Award for Best Project. They do have templates available, but they're not needed to get started. You also need to have a GitLab account, which is free. GitLab is an alternative of GitHub. If you ever encounter any problems, their forums are useful when needing help. OMFG Dogs is a very strange site from back in the day with cute cartoon dogs running on a colorful background. I'll warn you, if you have issues with flashing lights and have seizures, you might want to avoid this site. After that last one, now for something useful. Python for Everybody is a website with a set of free materials, lectures, books, and assignments to help people to learn how to program in Python. It was created by Professor Chuck Severance from the University of Michigan. On its lessons page, they're listed in order, beginning with lessons for newcomers with no background in programming. So if you're interested in learning Python, check out Python for Everybody. Oyster is an interesting website that could be useful to you when planning your next vacation. As they say, they're the only hotel site that sends special investigators to visit, photograph, review, and rate each hotel. We inspect in person, just like your mother-in-law. Unlike the often misleading photos on a hotel's website, the images on here are authentic, real images taken by Oyster photographers. None of the photos have been enhanced with Photoshop, and you won't find fake AI images on this site either. When you scroll down on any hotel page, you can see the pros and cons of staying at that hotel. PDF Escape is a good online alternative to Adobe Acrobat to create and edit PDF documents. It can be used with any browser, Chromium, Firefox, Safari, etc., and they also have a desktop version for Windows. For free, you can edit PDF files, you can fill out forms, there's a form designer, and there's annotation tools to mark up your PDF. The user interface is very user-friendly, with all the tools available on the left, but it is ad-supported. To get rid of the ads and get additional features, plans start at around $3 per month. I'll mention this one briefly. Behance is a freemium online platform where creative professionals can showcase their work, discover inspiration, and get hired. Key features include portfolios to upload and organize multi-image or video projects, being able to browse curated galleries, and being able to connect with potential employers or clients looking for creative talent. Like I said earlier, Behance is freemium. For free, you get the key features mentioned earlier, and their pro plan for around $10 per month, as they say, offers high-performance tools designed to help you stand out and earn more. A lot of you liked Noisely when I shared it in an earlier video. A soft murmur is very similar. It's a background noise generator designed to help you relax, focus, and tune out unpleasant sounds around you. Each sound has individual sliders to create your ideal soundscape. Here's a quick demo. PC Part Picker, which I mentioned in another series, is a fantastic site for do-it-yourself computer builders. As many of you know, right now is a horrible time to do this with the high price of RAM and other hardware, but I still know friends that are still doing it. To begin using it, you would just select Start Your Build. Why I've used this site for past builds is that its automatic compatibility checker will limit parts known to be compatible with the other parts already selected. You first choose your CPU, then work your way down the list. Prices are constantly updated from dozens of retailers. The next one down is choose a CPU cooler. All of these here are compatible. I'll add that one. I think you get the idea how this works. They also have user-created build guides on here that are a great resource if you've never built your own PC. iPicky is a free web-based photo editing platform that lets users edit photos, make collages, and design graphics directly in a web browser without having to download any software. It's very similar to Pixlr, PicMonkey, and the many others I've mentioned in the past. Whether you're editing a photo, making a collage, or creating a design, you'll find all the tools you'll need on the left side. While most of us enjoy driving, having a basic understanding of the basics of our vehicles can be useful. How a Car Works is a free educational site that explains car mechanics, parts, and automotive engineering. It does all of this without being too technical. They educate by using clear, jargon-free language in their articles, illustrations, and video courses. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found a few here of interest to you. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and let us know what sites interest you. Also let us know in the comments if you know of a website we should mention in future videos. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell to stay up to date with our latest videos here on Brett in Tech.